This June, we are celebrating European Digital Education Hub's 3rd year anniversary. For those of you who are not yet familiar, the Hub is an online community where one can meet more than 7,000 other digital education practitioners, with more members joining every week. The Hub organized more than 70 webinars and online workshops. We are focused on bringing quality interactive content to its participants. Some of the hottest topics in the field such as union of skills, AI in education, digital well-being, disinformation, and many more have been addressed. Squads dive deeper into these topics and publish their outputs. Furthermore, members get together at in-person community workshops throughout Europe. Don't forget to check where is the next one you can join. We are collecting and promoting inspiring practices of the Hub community, helping us stay in touch with time. We provide regular articles, newsletter, and research-based paper on digital education hot topics. The community is also working on seamless virtual mobility and virtual exchange experiences for students and teachers across European universities by developing a higher education interoperability framework. This year, we are also introducing MOOCs, massive open online courses that will make our impact even bigger. Discover the impact of our vast reach by exploring some testimonials. Each story is a testament to our success and something we're immensely proud of. As you can see, a lot has happened so far. Join the Hub now and be part of our community.